Here we've got GatorAle Florida Style IPA. And this one you can just really, honestly, I'm from Florida and I smell the orange and it just smells like citrus, and this is just, it's so pleasant. It just makes me want to smile, honestly. Like, what? That's craziness.
Hi, so this is Oak Captain Appalachian Breeze, and it smells like Christmas. Like, it smells like pine trees and just warmth and joy, and it's really a deep, warm scent to it.
Appalachian Breeze. Oh my gosh. Y'all, if y'all know anything about me, is that I love the mountains. And this smells just like the mountains, man.
What should I pick for my crush? I think I should pick this one. It's really smells so good. And
American Cowboy. It's gotta be my favorite one.
Sons of Timber. Like a tree by the river.
Here's the verdict. Which one of the soaps I would order for my guy? It was a tough decision, but I think that this one is the one that I would order because I love the look of it. It's so natural and it's the right color. Also, it just smells so good. It's really strong, the scent really comes through, and I really like this cute little rough edge, so this is my pick. Oh, Captain.